So welcome guys, and you can see we have our UI ready, and we actually need to do away with this page. We need to delete this page because we want something like this for all the page where we have the nav bar. We can just add a link here which says add post, and we can go ahead and add our post. So let's just do this. Let's go to our project structure, and let's just close all this. Let's just close all this, and let's just move into this folder so that we don't have to actually use the command prompt to navigate into this folder. So I'm just going to open folder, and right here in Laravel, yeah, this is where I have it. I'm going to select this folder. So we are now in the root folder of our project. Let's now create a new terminal. So now we can just run the PHP artisan serve. So we can run this, and yeah, so this is all we need to do. And if we come over to our resource folder in the view, we want to remove this folder. We want to remove this file. So let's just click on delete, or we might just leave this. We might just leave this, and you know what? Let's just delete this. So let's just delete this file. So on the home page, we can just duplicate this file right here, and we can say save as, and let's just call this any name, but I'm just going to call it index.blade. So in our web file, web.php file, and right here on the page, on the root URL, I want to return index, because the name of the new file we created is index. So if I should refresh right now, and I come to the root URL, you can see we are on the index page right here. And if I should log out, we are still on the same page, only that the nav have changed because we logged out now. You can see the logged in user name anymore. So this is actually what we want. So if we should go over to the index, we want to remove this. We actually want to remove this right here. So on this page, let's just refresh. You can see we don't have that anymore. So on this page, I want to list the list of blog posts that users have posted. I want to list everything. I also want to define a relationship between the users and the blog so that we can get the name of the user that actually owns the blog. So all this is what we're going to be doing in this project. So let's just get started. And the first thing we need to do is have a button, probably a link here whenever the user logged in. So let's just try and log in right now. So let's just say this user, let's try to log in. Yeah, so we logged in right now. Right here, I want to have some kind of a link that will say add post. So hopefully this makes sense to you. So let's just try this right now. So let's go back, let's go to our base layout. So you can see if the user is not authenticated, it's showing this block of code right here, which is the login and the register. But if the user is authenticated, it's showing another thing. So let's just go ahead and copy this, and let's just paste this right here. So let's see, this right here will be add post. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And right now we're going to have URL as H. So let's refresh this. So you can see the link right here, add post. So if I should log out, you can't see the link because you logged out. So let's just log in back and actually work on that page. So let's just say the let's log in. So we logged in, and right here we want to create a new controller, a new model, and a new migration. So let's just go ahead and create all that right now. So let's come over to our terminal. Let's create a new terminal. So right here I want to say PHP artisan make. Actually we want to make a model. So this will be make model, and the model will be post model. And this model we want to have a migration for it. We also want to have a controller. Let's just click enter.